In the sterile glow of a virtual conference room on October 12, 2022, shrouded by encrypted signals bouncing off satellites, two visionaries clashed in a digital duel of wits. Elon Musk, the audacious tech mogul with his disheveled hair and piercing stare that screamed innovation, connected with Vladimir Putin, Russia's enigmatic autocrat whose calculated demeanor masked imperial ambitions. The ether pulsed with hidden agendas, Starlink's role in Ukraine's defense grid flickering under Kremlin scrutiny, accusations of cyber meddling in global affairs, and a world economy rattled by energy wars. For over an hour, with no aids in sight, they debated satellite sovereignty, AI ethics, and Taiwan's tech vulnerabilities. Musk later tweeted cryptically, "Interesting chat on future tech, peace through progress?" Putin, silent publicly, reportedly smiled at concessions. Emerging details sparked outrage. Pentagon officials demanded briefings. Allies decried interference. This wasn't business as usual. It was a sci-fi espionage thriller, where code and commands could eclipse nations. Warp to 2025, with Musk's empire entangled in Trump's second term, and the intrigue escalates. A June encrypted call, enduring 120 minutes, probes Mars colonization pacts, quantum computing shares, and Arctic resource grabs. Musk boasts on X, "Productive exchange with President Putin, unlocking new frontiers." But concealed in the code are shadowy bargains, from redacted logs to vanished data streams. As leaks hint at an August 18, 2025, summit at Baikonur Cosmodrome, unveiled yesterday, the cosmos quivers. Is this synergy or sabotage? This revelation unearths their chronicle, parsing verified dates, dialogues, and dealings that have redefined our interstellar politics, framed as a nerve-shredding narrative where innovators and despots entwine. The lattice of Musk-Putin engagements forges a story of strategic symbiosis, germinating in the turmoil of Russia's 2022 Ukraine invasion. Kremlin denials were swift. "No direct dialogues with American entrepreneurs," proclaimed spokesman. Yet, intelligence briefs sketched intrigue, Starlink activations aiding Ukrainian forces, Musk's peace proposals echoing Moscow's demands like Crimea neutrality and Donbass autonomy. Musk, pre-invasion, lauded Putin in interviews. "He's a strong leader, no doubt." Their initial reported contact in October 2022 focused on Starlink restrictions. Putin urged deactivations near Crimea to prevent escalations. Musk complied partially, tweeting, "We can't let it be used for attacks." Ex-officials revealed Musk's perspective. "Putin understands the big picture. Space is the next battlefield." The tempo surged. Multiple calls by 2023, plus indirect channels via aides, totaling over a dozen interactions per Wall Street Journal reports. In one November 2022 exchange, they touched geopolitical tensions. Putin requested Starlink curbs over Taiwan for China's sake. Musk demurred but noted, "Global stability matters." Confidentiality blanketed proceedings. Musk allegedly briefed Pentagon post-call, admitting direct Putin talks, per New Yorker. Experts like Colin Kahl, former U.S. Defense Undersecretary, cautioned in testimonies. Musk views Putin as a peer in disruption, risking U.S. security. The 2023 escalation highlighted the rift. Amid Musk's Ukraine fatigue, he proposed referendums in occupied territories, aligning with Russian narratives. Virtual meets in April 2023 discussed EV batteries and rare earths. Putin offering Siberian mining access. Musk probing joint ventures. Afterward, Musk confided to staff it was eye-opening, but backlash erupted. Critics like Senator Elizabeth Warren blasted. A private citizen negotiating with adversaries undermines democracy. A July 2023 call post-Wagner mutiny covered internal stability, with Musk joking, "Rebellions are bad for business." An October 2023 dialogue on AI governance saw Putin warn of Western dominance, Musk agreeing to neutral tech. As Musk's X platform amplified pro-Russia voices amid 2024 U.S. elections, contacts intensified. Putin reportedly congratulated Musk on Tesla milestones indirectly. With Trump's 2024 win, Musk signaled thaw January 10, 2025, framing calls as innovation bridges. The February 2025 session, on the 8th, lasted 90 minutes, exploring hypersonic tech swaps, climate engineering, and Ukraine ceasefires. Musk posted, "Advancing humanity's goals, discussions ongoing." April 15, 2025, extended parley yielded a tentative data-sharing accord on space debris, but no Starlink expansions. Putin's elaborate expositions lengthened talks, sources claim. He strategizes, Musk innovates. By May, another convo emphasized underlying synergies, with Putin inviting to Moscow and Musk suggesting Cape Canaveral. Frustrations rose. Musk pushed timelines, threatening platform restrictions. Enter Yuri Ushakov, Putin's aide, liaising with Musk's team in Geneva July 20, 2025 for promising prep. Hallmarks defined them: Putin's tactical patience, Musk's erratic genius. Outlets like Size dissected alliances and alarms, wondering if Musk's autonomy bolsters or betrays Western interests. This ledger exposes not just tycoons and tyrants, but archetypes in a saga of supremacy, where every link conceals tiers of tactics and trepidation. As cosmic dust dances over Kazakhstan's vast steppes on August 18, 2025, the impending summit etches profound contours across the universal canvas, summoning echoes of prior liaisons that might birth interstellar unity or unravel galactic governance. Musk's entanglement with Putin, a meld of ambition and authority, now braves its zenith challenge amid orbital rivalries. From the 2022 digital debuts to the 2023 resource ruses, their synergy has privileged private pacts over public protocols. Musk's post-May 2025 zeal, "We've charted courses to the stars," clashed with June's partial satellite pacts, no full fusion attained. Putin's post-invasion seclusion concludes dramatically, engaging Musk without stipulations, as NASA brass bulk. EU Commissioner Thierry Breton alerted, "Deals that favor autocrats fracture freedoms." Xi Jinping, watching sideways, stipulates, "Tech transfers must balance powers." Ominous vistas arise, joint moon bases conceded, sanctions skirted, satellite monopolies merged. Musk's data dalliances, leaking orbital intel, jeopardizing assets, spies exposed since 2022, magnify menaces. An Ushakov-Musk prelude signals solitary spotlight, agitating allies. Vast vortices, empowered Roscosmos, de-westernized orbits, divided heavens. Musk heralds epical evolutions, Hunting a visionary vignette, but naysayers foresee forfeiture. As rockets roar into Baikonur, amid launch pads and stars, two pioneers converge. Will their fusion, forged in obscurity, spawn a renewed realm of exploration, or ignite interstellar infernos? In this launchpad lair, Providence poises. What if the protocols penned in privacy perish the promise of progress?